Namar makwa kalat kan long tu be. Suam kan niap.
Kiri pop sudah. Kimdan hi ka boarding ban ai yangi.
Suam mem ta. Ngali ngatieng bat mai ka bodum. Ban ngam kwa ban niap bak cing dum.
Ndam la apo setleo pat. Kadum hiam.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka College of Agriculture Kyrdem Kulai kalabu hakhamat ya kathong ban kentiu ya karukom rep ki menbarim da ka ba phaikmat ya ka rep Tynrai ka ba Khlem pendon kam ya ka Dawai Sboh. Udin Jongka College of Agriculture Kyrdem Kulai u Professor Ram Singh Dean bat kiwe ki no hikai Jongka College ha ka jekran bat kilat patai khubor ha ka khatsan trek u jemmang arja phriu kila penmi paj baru ya ki jingtho ba kila lum jingtep sephang ka rukom rem ki ba kentiu ya ka rep Tynrai jong ki nong rem ha ka ni ka than chatai lamingi.
I am Professor Ram Singh, Dean, College of Agriculture under Central Agriculture University, situated here in Kyrdem Kulai, Dawai district of Meghalaya state. This college, you know, established in year 2015 and almost its journey of 11 years. The college has done many milestones in respect to teaching, research and extension. As you know, the Central Agriculture University, situated in the state of Manipur at Imphal, is the premier Central Agriculture University in the country, which is biggest agriculture university. It is having 13 colleges situated in different state of northeastern hill region except the state of Assam. This College of Agriculture Kyrdem Kulai is one of the constituent colleges of the Central Agriculture University and in Imphal. So the college has done many milestones in respect to teaching, research and extension. If I take the example of teaching, the college is imparting 2 degree programs which are the BSc Agriculture Honours degree, 4-year degree program, and another degree program which has been started by the Government of India in 2024 January month, and this is the 3rd year going on, it is in progress. So it is the name of the degree program is the BSc Agriculture Honours in Natural Farming. The college is very particular about the thrust area of research as well as teaching and the extension activities. You know, there are the hue and cry about the climate change, and now it is demanding that the agriculture scientists, they should think on the climate resilient agriculture as well as the other mechanism, so that the crisis like fertilizer and the fuel in the country can be reduced. So in that aspect, if I again take the example of the teaching, we have started the natural farming, and very young graduate we are preparing under the aspect of natural farming, and once the first batch will go, then message will go like anything in our country. And same time we are taking care the organic farming. Organic farming also, so many initiatives are going on, and the college is having 7 labs. Apart from 7 labs, we are having another lab which is very premier and the state of art, I can say, that is biofertilizer lab. And it is giving the spirit of organic farming as well as the natural farming, and they always, our biofertilizer produced in the college is always on high demand, and we are getting the demand from the different corner and we are selling. So the good sell we are getting in the biofertilizer. So again, if I say the faculty of my college, where the 13 assistant professor, one associate professor, and myself is having the additional charge of the dean here. So each professor are having the research project or research initiative in different aspects. If I speak the aspect, the first is maize, very unique project. The AICRP maize is there, funded by the Indian Council of Agriculture Research, New Delhi. Then we have the FPO project with the collaboration of the NABARD, the lead bank of the country. Then soilless strawberry, sensor-based, again funded by the NABARD. Then the DSR, which is funded by the DBT, the direct seeded rice. We are having, we already started the project. Then honeybee based means the testing laboratory, mini testing laboratory, we are having with the help or support of the honey board of our country. Then livelihood and rural women, the climate resilient project we are again having. They promote and conservation of indigenous crop and animals. We are working in this aspect, and same time we have well equipped integrated farming system model, which is giving way forward to the tribal farmers of the state for the food and nutritional security. Then we are having the very good project in soybean and millets, oilseeds, turmeric, garlic, flowers, and all the projects we are covering the crisis which called as the climate resilient or the resilient agriculture. So all my faculty and the staff is very much aware, and time to time we are reviewing, and all these are happening with the kind help and support of the competent authority of Central Agriculture University. And apart from this, time to time we are guiding and we are submitting the document to the respective state governments as well as the central government. Recently, so far, under my supervision, we have submitted, and in the able and dynamic leadership of our Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. Anupam Misra, the policy document for strategies for achieving $30 trillion economy by 2047. It has been published, and we have circulated in the large number to the different governments. Then recently, that is the Shillong Convention, we have the agricultural extension innovation for achieving US $1.3 trillion this for the Northeast India economy at 2047. So in that way, all the professor, assistant professor, associate professor, whosoever is working in the Central Agriculture University, its constituent college, they are playing their role, and they are submitting different articles, and time to time the government, respective government of the respective states, they are taking note and discussing with the faculty on those aspects which they are stressing on. So this was the research related, and same time all these research, whatever is being carried out in the college, whether it is in the lab, whether it is in the field of the college. As you know, the college is having more than 226 acres of land. Out of that, 50 acres of the land has been designated for to carry out the research on this natural farming, natural aspect. So whatever the output coming from the research, and considering the good or excellent, the scientists or faculty of the college taking further to the farmers' field for the betterment of the farmers sitting in the remotely located village of the state, and slowly these things again are distributed and the shared with the other constituent college. As you know, the northeastern hill region, the states almost are having the same demography and same topography. So whatever I think the being invented by my faculty is applicable for all the states of the northeastern hill region. So for that we have the extension coordinator wing, and under the extension coordinator wing, all the things, whatever invented is being taken to the farmers field, and in the forum of the technology input distribution, or whatever the training or training on recent aspect, whatever training on the health aspect, health of the animal, health of the plant, all these issues, or health of the soil, we are addressing time to time, and we have very nice collaboration with the surrounding of the college, with the headmen or the local bodies of the state. So with this, I wish very great success of my college and my faculty, whosoever is doing and contributing for the uplifting of the state, specifically or generally for the northeastern hill region as well as the country as a whole. With this, thank you very much, and Jai Hind, Jai Meghalaya.
Myself is Dr. Madhavi, Assistant Professor Entomology. I am looking after all the entomological courses under this College of Agriculture in Kulai. And in our college, we have successfully established one of the externally funded projects funded from the National Beekeeping in the Honey Mission, National Bee Board, titled Establishment of the Quality Control Lab for the honey and the other beehive buildup. In this lab, we have equipped with the advanced different equipments for the ensurety of the authenticity, quality and the safety of the honey by detecting the adulteration, contaminants and the quality parameters, different quality parameters from the different types of the honey available in the states of the Meghalaya. This lab will also verify the botanical as well as the geographical origin of the different types of the honey available in the state. The beekeeping is indeed a significant boon to the farmer of Meghalaya, offering a profitable supplementary incomes that leverage the region's rich biodiversity. One of the important southern hotspot regions in the states of the Meghalaya, we can get a various diversity of the flora in this region, and ultimately we are getting a various diversity of the different types of the sting as well as the stingless honey in the region. But this will be the first state-of-the-art this lab, mini honey testing lab, which is established in the College of Agriculture, Kulai. Also, in future, we will focus on the promotion of the new FPO in the different block of the remote districts of the Meghalaya as well as the other districts through the intervention of the College of Agriculture, entomology faculties. Also, the college already submitted another project in the same funding agency, National Bee Board and the Honey Mission, for the promotion of the beekeeping in the states of the Meghalaya. So, in which, what we will be expecting is after the also another project of the honeybee has been already submitted to the same funding agency, National Bee Board and the Honey Mission, for the popularization of the beekeeping in the states of the Meghalaya, amounting 1 crore. And also we submitted, the College of Agriculture, Kyrdem Kulai submitted establishment of the nutritional composition and the
Also, the college has already been submitted another project, important project in the DBT, nutritional composition and the chemical profiling of some commonly used edible insects consumed by the different types of the Meghalaya.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.